Hello everyone, you're welcome to Algebra math class. Today we have a problem to solve. The problem is is equals to 2 pi square root L over G. Now before we go further, I want to introduce myself. I am Omondagbon Evoteme Monday. I've been teaching mathematics for past 12 years in high school. My passion for mathematics led me to start Omondagbon math class online. Please follow our social media handle. We have the Facebook, we have the YouTube, we have TikTok, all our social media handles. Please, you can subscribe to any of them. Thank you. So let's dive into the question. So make L the change of subject. So the first thing to do is, remember we are looking for what? L. For us to remove this square root, we square the both sides. We're going to square the both side. Square the both side. So if you square on both sides, this square will take care of this square root. So we now have t square is equals to 2 square. This square will affect everything here. Pi square. Then this square will take care of this one. We now have L over what? G. So you can write this as 2 square is equals to 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then pi square, then L over what? G. So we are making progress. Remember we are looking for what? The L. So the next thing to do, we cross multiply. So we say 1 times 4 pi square L. We have what? 4 pi square L. Then t square times g, we have what? T square g. So I prefer writing it in alphabetical order. So I will write 4 square L is equals to a g t square. So the next thing to do is, since we are looking for L, we'll divide both sides by 4 pi square over 4 pi square. So 4 will take off 4, this pi will take off pi, pi square will take off pi square. So pi square will take off pi square. So we're left with L is equals to g square over 4 pi square. Now that will become our final answer. So at the end of the day, we'll make L the change of subject. If you have gained anything so far from this class, please do not forget to follow our social media handle, our YouTube, our Facebook, all our social media handles. They are all in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my class. Until we see in our next class. Bye bye.